Today is June 30th, 2025, and this is today's trades that I took. So I ended up wanting to take calls about this 616 area. Reason why? Because this was actually yesterday's high. This would have been a perfect small area to kind of take back into the opening of the day. Originally in the morning, I ended up seeing us coming down. We ended up retesting this area. I ended up entering at this area here, and I'm not gonna lie. At a point, I was about to close the trade, but I ended up getting stopped out here. um I was just in this chop. We was just back and forth, and this is a 16-minute chart, so we were just back and forth for a while, and then I ended up getting stopped out, at this area here. So that trade was about like $200. I ended up trying shorts because after a certain point, I was just convinced. I was like, maybe this might make the move down to yesterday's close to close that gap. So we ended up retesting. I was watching this on the 6-minute chart for my entry. We ended up, breaking and retesting the level. So I ended up entering at this area here, looking for the short to continue moving lower. I had the opportunity to leg out my contracts here, but I guess I got a little too greedy because I was looking for the flush down to yesterday's close, and I ended up getting stopped out at this area here, and I took another loss for $200 in that trade. So really, really bad trading session for me today. I definitely could have probably sat out after the first trade once I probably seen that my original idea wasn't working, instead of switching it midway through, because I'm guessing that's what kind of screwed me over, and I'm guessing I must have had FOMO in the moment, just trying to make money, which I've been struggling not to do. But I'm very transparent. I have to be honest with myself, as you must when you're getting into trading. You don't want to pretty much shadow yourself and try to hide certain things from yourself to try to make yourself feel better. You have to be very upfront. So that was my loss for today. And as you can see, it pretty much just chopped the whole entire day towards the end of the day. So no matter what, I could have probably made money just on just scalping, but that's not how I like to trade. I like to trade level to level. So I pretty much was I should have just sat on my hands because of the way the price action was, but you can't guess this stuff. So took the loss, ended up walking away again, down $400 on the day. So let me know how you guys did in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.